The 15th annual day of Acharya Sri Rakum School for the Blind at Indiranagar was celebrated on 20th January 2013. The parents of the resident students and many dignified guests were invited to grace the occasion. The celebration was inaugurated with an invocation prayer by the resident students and then by lighting the lamp by the honorable guests.
It gives me immense pleasure and honor to present the 15th annual report of ever-growing Acharya Sri Rakum School for the Blind.
Miss Padma and Miss Veena, who had overcome their disability of visual impairment and had become faculty at the Acharya Sri Rakumji institutions, had composed the annual report of the institution in Braille and presented the same to the gathering.
We are happy to announce that all the girls who appeared for the SSLC board examination in April 2012 came in flying colors.
ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 3ರಂದು ವಿಶ್ವ ಅಶಕ್ತರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸಿ ಅಂಧರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡಕ, ಕೋಲು ಮತ್ತು ಮಾತನಾಡುವ ಗಡಿಯಾರಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಯಿತು.
Acharya Sri Rakumji and the organizers of the function honored all those who had supported the school's activity in various ways by presenting them with social service awards. Expressing their words of praise for Acharya Sri Rakumji, the guests appreciated the service rendered by these schools to the needy sections of our society.
ನಾವು ಕೆಲವರನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಪೂಜನೀಯರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಪೂಜ್ಯರು ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಪೂಜನೀಯರು ಪೂಜ್ಯರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪೂಜೆಗೆ ಅರ್ಹರು ಅಂತ. ದೇವರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪೂಜೆಗೆ ಅರ್ಹರು ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಅದು ದೇವರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದ ಕಾರಣ ದೇವರ ಸ್ವರೂಪಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೇವೆ. ರಾಕುಂಜಿ ಗುರುಗಳು ಅಂಥವರಂಥವರನ್ನು ಮುಖ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಅವರ ಈ ಕೆಲಸ ಅನೇಕ ಜನರ ಆತ್ಮವನ್ನು ಚುಚ್ಚುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಒಂದು ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಚೋದನೆ ಆಗಲಿ. ಅದು ಬರೀ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಏಬಲ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಮನಪ್ರವೃತ್ತಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟಾಗಲಿ.
First of all, let me congratulate all of you for the 15th annual day celebration of this school, which is giving a human service to the humanity. I only wish you people all the best. God help you and you help all of us.
ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರುತು ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಕೆಲಸ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮಂಥ ಅನಾಥ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅನ್ನದಾನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಜೋರಾಗಲಿ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಅನಾಥ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಬಯಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ವಂದನೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
The Best Parents Awards, the Best Teachers Awards, and various awards for the students for excellence in curricular and co-curricular activities were presented by the honorable guests. The students of the school sang songs and danced to melodious tunes and entertained the assembled guests. The students also displayed their expertise in yoga and karate. A grand lunch was organized for everybody on this occasion. This function was a happy get-together for all the students, their parents, and to the patrons of the school.